Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Sweet pull-away bread made from scratch. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients I will be using. Cinnamon, yeast, salt, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, granulated sugar, whole milk, all-purpose flour, 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Now let's get to making the sweet pull-away bread. I have the yeast here. I'm going to add the milk, and it must be warm. Going to add the vegetable oil, the sugar, the salt. And we whisk this together. This is the flour, all-purpose flour. We're going to pour this mixture here into the flour. We're going to mix this up. We're going to knead the dough here for about 10 minutes. And after we finish kneading the dough, we're going to grease a bowl and put it in the bowl and let it rise for an hour. Oh, yes. And by the way, I did it off camera, add the whole egg and the egg yolk. I already added it to the dough. Now we're going to let the dough continue to rise for the hour, and let's make the cinnamon sugar filling. The ingredients we will be using is unsalted butter. Let this jump into the bowl. Cinnamon and granulated sugar. Now we mix these 3 ingredients up together. And after the dough has risen, we will come back and I will show you what we're going to do next. Now, this is the next step we do. We take the dough, put it on the cutting board. We're going to cut them into 12 pieces. This is what we're going to do next. We're going to take each dough piece and roll it into a ball. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Set this to the side, take another one and roll it into a ball. The oven will be set to 350 degrees. This is a loaf pan that I oiled, and we're going to be using this. These are the 12 balls, and this is the filling for the 12 balls. Now, this is what we do. We take a ball, and we take the palm of our hand and flatten it. It don't have to be evenly done, each one. Okay. Now, we're going to take some of the filling. Then we're going to fold this over like this and press it down. Now, we're going to put it seam side up. Stand it up in the pan like this. Let's do another one. And we flatten it. We put some of the filling in. We flip it over like this. Then we press the sides, close the sides. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Then we take this and we add it same side up and put it close to each other. We continue doing this till all 12 fill up in the loaf pan. Now, this is the dough that I've lined up in the pan. We're going to sit this in a warm space and let it rise for 30 minutes. Then after it rises for the 30 minutes, we're going to pop it in the oven and let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. There you have it. Sweet, pull apart, homemade bread. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.